What's the meaning of boxers? Boxers. Boxers.
Boxers. Boxers. The term boxers typically refers to a type of men's underwear that is loose-fitting and provides more room and support than briefs. Boxer shorts are often made of lightweight and breathable fabrics, such as cotton or silk, and come in a variety of patterns and colors. Some people find boxer shorts to be more comfortable than other styles of men's underwear because of the additional room they provide. While boxers were once considered old-fashioned, they have recently experienced a resurgence in popularity due to their comfort, style, and versatility.